Hello everyone, this is Anjali Rajwani. I am a numerologist and today I am going to talk about the year 2021 and what to expect from the year 2021, just as how I had spoken about the year 2020 in the first week of January this year. I had mentioned as per numerical vibrations that 2020 is going to be a year full of limitations. We are going to experience a lot of anxiety. People are going to be very anxious, very touchy, very sensitive, and we did see all of this year. We did face a lot of limitations. We were all under lockdown. People had become overly sensitive, overly anxious. We did see a lot of suicides this year, and it has been a very challenging year. Also, I had mentioned in the first week of May that it is going to be a month of devastation, and we did see a lot of deaths in the month of May. I had also at that time mentioned about December. I had mentioned that the nature of this virus and pandemic is not going to come to light. The research and study on the nature of this virus is not going to come to light until December, though at that point of time people were hoping, and there was talk about vaccines coming by August, September, but definitely as per numerical vibrations it was not to happen till the month of December, and I have been seeing all of this throughout this year. Now to talk about 2021. As per the numerical vibrations, 2021 is a year of redemption. It is as if we are redeeming our lives, and it also, the numerical vibrations indicate a change in the pattern of life. So I can safely say as per numerical vibrations that 2021 is a year of redemption. It is also a change of a pattern. So all of this can be expected in the year 2021. It's a year charged with adventure and dynamism. So we can expect growth, we can expect opportunities, and all we need to do is to be very determined, and we need to take action. We need to be supportive of each other to move towards a better future and to manifest economic growth. Areas where we can expect growth are industries where we can expect growth are the entertainment industry, the communication industry, media, banking sectors, educational sectors, travel, trade, and amusement parks will do well, and even casinos will do well. So we can expect these areas to flourish. Also the diamond industry, jewelry, platinum, silver, all of these industries will do well. We can expect growth in all of these areas. So hoping for a better year. And before I end, I must say that the solar eclipse that we had on the 14th of December, that is yesterday, is also very significant, because the universe has changed gears and we are moving into a better tomorrow. So let's hope that we make the most of it and everything goes well. And just a word of caution, I would like to tell everybody not to be careless, to take care of themselves, not to overexert their nerves, and to adopt a healthy lifestyle. So with all of this, we hope to enter a better tomorrow, and we hope to step into a better future. Thank you everyone.